Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo jinil no wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chuku Nonso Captures. Ndibanye, Namekelonu. Afambo Chuku Nonso Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist. And welcome back to another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so everybody give it up to Desiree. Give it up for Desiree. All right, so